Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is Shopify versus WordPress, and this is a complete review for beginners. So guys, for the first one is what is Shopify. So Shopify is a popular e-commerce platform designed to help you set up and manage your online store with ease. So guys, we will be discussing the pros and cons. So for the pros, is first pros will be user-friendly interface. So guys, it is easy to set up and use even for a beginner. And now for the second pros is it is all-in-one solution. It includes hosting, security, and integrated payment processing. And the next pros will be strong support. So guys, Shopify has a 24/7 customer support available via chat, email, and phone. But now let's discuss the cons. So the cons will be limited customization, so it is less flexible compared to other platform for deep customization. And the second one is higher costs, which it has a monthly fees plus additional cost for apps and transaction fees. And next up will be less control. So guys, you're limited by Shopify built-in features and ecosystem. Now let's discuss the WordPress. So what is WordPress? So WordPress is a versatile content management system that can be used for everything from blogs to e-commerce sites, especially with plugins like WooCommerce. So guys, what will be the pros and cons? So for the pros, it is high customization, so it has extensive range of themes and plugins for flexibility. And next up will be cost effective. So WordPress itself is free, though you'll need to pay for hosting and premium features. Next up will be SEO and marketing. So guys, WordPress has a powerful SEO tools and marketing plugins available. Now for the cons is it will be a steeper learning curve. It requires more setup and technical, including choosing hosting and managing plugins. And next up will be support complexity. So guys, official support is limited and helps comes mainly from forums and third-party services. And the next up will be maintenance. So you're responsible for updates, backups, and security. So guys, the question is which is better? So guys, if you want a straightforward all-in-one e-commerce solution with minimal setup, Shopify is a great choice. But if you need a highly customizable platform and don't mind a bit more setup and maintenance, WordPress is the way to go. And that's simply about it. If this comparison helped you decide which platform to use, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!